Hey there! I'm excited to announce that I'm going to be running a listing challenge summer edition style. If you've joined me before for a listing challenge, it's been a 5-day, week-long challenge to get items listed. This summer, I'm running a more laid-back, shorter version. It's going to run for 3 days starting next week on Tuesday, July 20th. It will run Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you haven't done a listing challenge, the way it works is you set your own goal to get a certain number of items listed. This is completely up to you. It's all levels. If you're a brand new seller and never listed an item before, please join us. If you're a seasoned seller, you're welcome to join too. You'll also get a sheet to track your progress. They have little money bags on them. I will send that to you at the start of the challenge. And then there will be a pop-up Facebook group where we can all get together and join together, encourage each other, and reach our goals for the week. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you're able to join the listing challenge. I will leave the link to sign up below this video. See you there.